Andrea Farabegoli, marketing manager of the company Davi, manufacturer of plate roll based in Italy. That show was very good in our opinion due to the number of the attendees. Very interested company, and they are looking for a new machine for do their business. The company Davi cooperate since 25 years with Batliboi, our Indian dealer, with a lot of great success. We can grant of more than 200 plate roll installed here in India. So basically our machine, 100% made in Italy, can support the customer in a lot of different application area. One of them that right now for sure is very interesting is the bucket industry for the infrastructure that in the whole India the company are doing. Another business is dedicated to the pressure vessel industry for the oil and gas. A new business is the wind energy that is growing a lot in the recent months. We serve a lot of different other application fields, and basically we can support all the standard requests, but also the customized machine that might help the customer in India for their business.